Start with the name of the God. Hello everyone, hope everyone is fine. Today is Monday. Monday is always amazing day because if you close deal Saturday and Sunday, so Monday is looking for you amazing day. But if you don't have closing, definitely it's not looking like amazing day for you. There's one question: why closing is not happened in Saturday and Sunday? As for my opinion, what happened? Definitely you are doing a real estate job, but you are not doing real estate job. Like how you are in the field, but you are not in the field. You are working, but you are not working. So just before start the work in the morning and analyze by yourself. Yeah, definitely today I have to do this type of job. So let's say I'm going to the office now. I have like more than 5 tasks. So definitely, if you are going to the office, you have tasks like that thing I have to do. I can visit that building. I can meet with this customer. I can meet this owner. I can just speak to this client which is visiting me and which is just calling me and just communicate with me more than 10 days, 15 days. So please do this type of things always if you want to win or winner of real estate. Stay tuned for more videos.